Unlock the power to see what others miss and proactively safeguard your operations by mastering Outlier AI. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through effectively using Outlier AI for powerful anomaly detection, ensuring your business stays ahead of critical issues. First, let's get you logged in. Navigate to your Outlier AI dashboard and enter your secure credentials. Once inside, the heart of Outlier AI lies in your data sources. To begin, click the Add Data Source button. Here, you'll name your data source, select the data type, whether it's time series, log data, or something else, and then configure the connection. This could involve uploading files, connecting to databases, or setting up API integrations, depending on your setup. Now, for the crucial configuration, choose the specific features within your data that you want Outlier AI to monitor for anomalies. Adjust the sensitivity level. Higher sensitivity means more potential alerts, so find a sweet spot for your needs. Defining a historical context period helps Outlier AI understand normal behavior. With your data source configured, it's time to initiate an analysis. This process analyzes your selected data against your defined parameters to identify unusual patterns. The results dashboard is where the magic happens. Outlier AI presents identified anomalies clearly, often with a severity rating. Click on an anomaly to delve deeper into the context, understanding what makes it unusual. By examining the detailed view of an anomaly, you can pinpoint the exact data points and the time frame contributing to its identification. This granular insight is key to understanding and addressing the root cause. To ensure you're always informed, configure your alert. Set up notifications for critical anomalies via email, Slack, or other integrated channels, so you can react immediately. By following these steps, you'll effectively leverage Outlier AI to proactively identify and address critical issues, transforming how you manage and protect your business.